Rangarirai Spencer Ndemera, a former security aide to the late MDC leader Morgan Tsvangirai, has been brutally murdered under disturbing circumstances at his home in Glenville, Harare. Sanapna mashuka CHAMISA aiwa wanaononzwa kuti the former Morgan Tsvangirai aide panguva ino aiwa ouraiwa aiwa zvasirisa zvachamisa vanhu panguva ino zvati panguva ino people they are still looking and seeking for justice. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndime amamuda nekwamchenzi. Ndemera, who ran a catering business and also served as a caretaker at a local property, was reportedly assaulted by tenants last week. His body was later discovered by neighbors after he had gone missing for several days. He was last seen on Friday, said one neighbor. We started getting worried when he didn't answer calls or to come out of the house. That's when we alerted the police. Police have since launched an investigation into the incident, with the circumstances surrounding Ndemera's death still unclear. Local residents suspect foul play and are calling for a swift response from authorities. Victor Chifodika, a former Ward 30 councillor in Glenville and a lifelong acquaintance of Ndemera, expressed shock and demanded justice. I knew Spencer since we were boys. He was quiet and hardworking. Whoever did this must be brought to book, he said. The community is now rallying around Ndemera, his elderly mother and young daughter, who are reportedly in distress. His wife passed away in 2018, leaving the two as his only immediate family. He was the only breadwinner, a concerned neighbor noted. We are worried about what will happen to his mother and child now. Tomashuka nomuda panguva inoi anosirisa pamusoro pa Ranganai Spencer Ndemera. Panguva inoi nekufa kwake kunyasi kukoradza vanhu noda kwokuti he was murdered. Zvanyasi kubata vanhu. Zvodze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.